Namaskaram. Today I want to talk about tolerance. Tolerance is now not anywhere in the world. Everybody is busy with their own activities and they are engaged in their own world. In family also, everybody is looking mobile or TV, whatever may be it. In market, there is clashes between or heated words of exchange between the customer and the shopkeeper. In business there are quarrel, nations there are quarrel. Everywhere there is intolerance. How to overcome this one? By eliminating intolerance and putting tolerance in it. By tolerance we can move into unity. Tolerance is not a resignation to live in differences, but it is a bridge to eliminate the differences and become united. We have to separate the idea and the person first. Everybody have their own ideas, they must have to express. That feeling must be there. And other thing is that the attitude of the person also must differ. Everybody must hear other person. That means listening mentality must be there, and accept other person's viewpoint also. So by avoiding these all things, we can be united. United means prosperity, and the society, the nation, the world will progress and prosper. Thank you.